Hello YouTube, this is Abdullah Rashid. Our class today converting 2D image to a 3D model. Okay, this is a PNG format with good resolution, and the second part will be low resolution. Let's start with Photoshop. I need to select this first by holding down Ctrl and click on this icon. I have this selection. Second or next step, we'll go to Paths and choose Make Work Path. Tolerance, this number, you have to think about this. Low number, like 0.5, will give you many vertices around this selection. Let's try this. Bunch of vertices around. This will confuse 3D Max later. So let's undo and choose different value. Let's start with 2.5. Let's test this. This is good level of vertex around. Also I can adjust later in 3D Max. Let's go to export this. Go to File, Export, Path to Illustrator. Yes. I can override my first one. Then in 3D Max I can import this AI format. Import as a single object will be easier to deal with later. I'd rather choose this option. X from keyboard, Extrude modifier, and give it, let's say, 1. This is the model. Let's try the second one. Let's open this low resolution pattern. It's really long, noisy picture. Let's check the size. It's very low resolution. I need to adjust the size first. This is my option to deal with these types of low pictures resolution. Then I need to activate some filters like topaz filters to clean it up from noise. First with this one, strongest, then OK. The second filter will be the same section in topaz, and this time will be cleaning, like cartoonish look. This cartoon shape will move some noise here, yeah, just like this. I have good resolution now. Let's go to selection menu and try to by color range. Select by color range. You can choose the white or the black, it's the same. Okay. In paths, the same step as before. Let's try with 2.5 tolerance. It's fine. Let's export it. The same as before. And let's test this in 3D Max. Let's import pattern this time. Now I need to merge as a single object. Yeah, this will be pattern shape. Let's move it away. I need to delete this border. And the same extrude, I can activate it here. And that's it. I have this shape from a bitmap. I can also adjust the number of steps. Let's go to top and zoom. This is without steps. I can control this number. try to avoid adaptive here because this is a huge number of vertices, so that for my example I need to adjust between 3 or 4. It's depend your camera position for this model. Also I can adjust some using symmetry modifier, try to avoid weld. Okay, and I can hit 1 to go inside the subselection and make some change like this shape. Also I can rotate 45 degrees, copy this one and paste it again, hit 1 from keyboard, 90 degrees to have another shape. Also I can put many types of symmetry. You can play around all the time. So try to flip. This is a different shape. I can have another one as copy and make some adjustment like this. Two types of models, the same pattern, but the trick in the symmetry. Thank you so much. See you next class.